Hello, my friends. This is Dot, and thank you for stopping by my channel. If you are a subscriber, thank you for returning. If you are new, welcome. I hope you see or hear something that you really enjoy today. I am taking on a bag challenge today. It is a bag tag day. I actually love these videos. There's a lot of work that goes into creating these, and I am definitely not the creator of this one. The creator of this bag tag is Sharon of In the Thick of It blog. And I was actually tagged by my girl Farah over at All Things Shell 3529. And this is the favorite handbag and shoe combo tag. We're going to get started. Hang around. It's going to be fun.
I'm never forsaken, never alone. The God of heaven, call me his own.
Okay, so it took me some days to try to figure out what bags and shoes that I would use in this video because this was so exciting and it was very helpful to me. It let me see those shoes and bags that I haven't worn, and hey, I need to pull these back out and put them into circulation. So for this video, I'm going to attempt to try to organize these into combos where there are sandals, sneakers, and maybe clogs or something. So I'll try to keep it as short as possible and just kind of go through some of the things that I have here. So let's start with heels. I don't really dress as often as I did before COVID, but when I have to, put a pair of heels on, I will. So let's start with one of my favorites, and this is my Coach Empire bag in the honey. And I just absolutely love this bag. This was my first Empire. I fell in love with the color. This is the 40 size, and she has not disappointed. I do love her so much. When I'm ready to put on a pair of heels, these are one of my favorite heels that I have. They are so comfortable and I've had them so long, but they are not disappointing. And these are my leopard print heels that go so perfectly with this bag. I'll put them here so you can see those. So I love this combo with this animal print and my honey empire. That's number one. Love that combo. So my next pair of heels are, this is going to be for one of my other Coach bags, and this is the Coach in the dark stone color. And this is a shoe that I absolutely love. Now, I'm all for comfort now. When I'm looking for a shoe, I'm looking for comfort. And this print, this is a non-West heel. I'm not even sure where I got this from. And this pairs so well with my Coach Savannah bag. I haven't worn this combo yet, but as I was pulling this out, I was like, wow, I have a pair of shoes that really match that very well. So I cannot wait to wear this combo. Absolutely fun. And I'll show you the heel on that. Another comfortable shoe here. Whoops, look at me throwing my shoes around. All right. So that's another heel. Now, I don't know. It just depends on what you say about this, but I will tell you that I'm starting to find out that I am definitely an animal print girly. Here is my Coach Savannah in the chalk, and I'm going to bring out my zebra print heels. Look at those. Can't deny those zebra print heels. And look, this shoe is not as comfortable as the others, but it certainly is a cute shoe. I love this shoe and the way it pairs. I have not worn this combination. I actually just purchased this season. I think I wore it maybe a couple of times, but this zebra is going to fare so well with that bag. We also have this is a fun bag. I love this bag. And this is a Calvin Klein. And this bag has so many different patchwork prints in it. It's leather. It has this blue, kind of a um, lighter blue color. And this is not really denim, but it's a denim look with the CKs on it. And then the back of the bag actually has a top handle and a crossbody. The back is all white. This is also, it has the gold accent here. And this bag is stuffed now, but it is reversible to this all tan color. But when I'm wearing it this way, I can pair it well with my jean, and what do they call these? A kitten heel. So I just love this look when I'm wearing this bag. So this is just a fun bag that I can carry throughout the spring and also the summer along with this kitten heel. And it's big enough for me to carry lots of fun items in this bag. That is my Calvin Klein. I think this one is really a what I would call a cheat. And this is again, notice I have three Coach Savannas because I love them. I do love the style of this bag. And I call this a cheat because really it was part of the collection. And this is the Coach sandal that I have here, a platform sandal. These are very comfortable, surprisingly enough. They are very comfortable. So it didn't take much for me to match these up because they all came out in the collection. I have so the powder pink Savannah, and then also the powder pink platform sandal. The next sandal I have, as you know, I started this video out. My name is Dot, and I love me a polka dot. Here is a Dooney a polka dot bag. I have a little pouch here on this one, and I pair her well with a polka dot shoes. Why not? Why not? Why not multiply the dots here? So we have the crossbody Dooney, and we have this. I believe I picked these up at Marshall's. And these are a very comfortable heel as well. So love wearing her. And this is a crossbody bag from Dooney. Also, if you're watching any of my videos, you know how I feel about this bag. This, I actually love this bag. I love the print, love everything about it. I even like the size, even though I'm a big bag girly. I like the size of this bag from Coach. The only thing, and I'll link my video here, is that she sheds. She sheds a lot. But let me tell you why I purchased this bag. Because Nike came out with mules, and these are my Nike mules. And I purchased these to go along with this Coach bag, and they pair so well. That heel is a chunky heel, but this is a comfortable fit. So these Jordans with the silver hardware, although this is a gold hardware, there's a silver hardware on these Jordans, but they are so comfortable to wear. So I'm going to have to find another solution because I cannot wear this bag with this shedding because it gets all over my clothes when I do wear her. So I'm looking for another option for that. Hey, look, love this tassel. Love, love, love. Okay, on to the next one I have. Let's see. So let's start out with this, I believe is my latest bag that I purchased. So this is my city tote in the Coach Pretty Pink, I believe it's called. What is it called? It's called the uh, City Chalk Pink. Okay, and I really do like this print. This is actually my first city tote. I was debating on whether I wanted to keep her or not. And since I have a new grandbaby, granddaughter, I thought I would keep her because it just reminds me of babies and pink and pretty. And I have these Uggs which are so cute, and they go really, really well with this city tote. So I am definitely going to pair these with my city tote. So I'm excited about that. I'm a little nervous because this is a kind of a suede material, and that's a really, really light color, and I just don't want to get it scuffed up really bad. The great thing about it, I got these on sale. I got a really good price, and generally I do because I happen to have really small feet, so I can purchase shoes sometimes in the kids section and get a really good price on those. So I did, but I got to figure out a way. I got to put some Scotch Guard or something on those so I don't get them messed up. All right. The fun does not stop. Look at that. Look at that. This is a Coach, a swing bag, and I love it. I use her just carrying her separately, and sometimes I carry her as a pouch in one of my other bigger bags, and it just accents any color that I have. And when I do, why not bring out my Dolce and Gabbana sneakers here? I love this zebra print with this bag is so much fun. These are very comfortable. Of course, they're sneakers. They're comfortable. And this leather, I believe this may be some glove tan leather, but it's a nice leather on that Coach. And these shoes pair so well with those. So I do love wearing those together. Another pair of sneakers that I wear, and this is kind of taking the small bag concept, and this is my Nolita, which I have had for my first Nolita, and it has the silver hardware with her. I purchased her some time ago, and it was part of a holiday collection, and actually I brought it as a gift, but for some reason I did not gift it, and I kept it for a couple of years just boxed up, and then I needed to go somewhere, needed a little bag, and just wound up keeping it for myself. And I have been just wearing the heck out of this little bag. And when I want to get very casual but still a little fancy, I can wear my Michael Kors sneakers with this. You see how well that pairs? Look at that silver. These shoes, they never disappoint. I love, love, love these. They are fancy, has all the sparkles. It has some silver, it has some gold, it has the black sequins in it, and paired with this, oh my gosh, what? No words. There are no words for that at all. I just love that combo. So I'm just going to take it down just a bit to another pair of sneakers and a little tiny duffel bag. And this is my little Gucci Joy kind of Boston bag here in the silver, which I pair, excuse me, with my DKNYs. Now, as a finale, my go-to, my favorite silhouette is the Speedy Boston style satchel. And this is my monogram Louis Vuitton, and this is the bandolier version. And she holds everything that I need. I just love this monogram print. And as long as it's not raining, it's bad weather, and it's wet weather, I can wear her. I won't wear her in the rain and wet weather, but love, love, love this bag here. She's in the 30, so this is the Speedy 30. And my go-to shoe for my Louis Vuitton Speedy are my Louis Vuitton sneakers here, and they wear so well. So whether I am traveling and I'm carrying her along with me because she carries a lot in this size 30, and these shoes I can just put on and just go. We are going. So this is my go-to pair here, and I wear this set all year long. If I'm in between, I'm not sure what I want to wear, I'm gonna bring this out. So this is the last one. I hope you enjoy. This was absolutely fun, 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 fun. So if you are interested in doing this tag, please go ahead and do it. Follow the instructions, tag it. I'm looking for my notes to make sure I say the right thing here. You want to make sure you name it favorite handbag and shoe combo. You want to add Sharon of In the Thick of It blog. She's the creator of this bag tag. And also tag myself and hashtag top shoe and bag combo and hashtag bag tag. And have fun. Have lots of fun. And don't throw your whole closet all over the place like I did. All right. Thank you all. If you are not a subscriber, I would love, love, love for you to join. Like on this video, comment on this video. Subscribe to my Nana's channel. Don't forget.